So this is kind of a wild experience here. There are these little baby birds that are like on the ground, and so the adult birds like freak out and dive bomb you. Yeah, they do that thing. One pooped on me. I wasn't very happy about that. But it's kind of cool that they like defend their offspring that way. Although, like, you can kind of see around here, there's no real trees for them to nest in. So their offspring are just running around on the ground. Fluffy little things. Very cute. But I think I'm passing out of the nesting area now. They were really worrying a horse earlier out in the field. I guess it got too close. I kind of want to like wander around and find a nest maybe. Oh look, now they're going nuts again. Oh, there's a baby. I see a baby over there. It's like running away in the field over there. Probably can't see it. It's a little thing. And it is the color of the rock. But, oh yeah, look. See this? These birds just flew down over there. The two of them that just flew up, they're right by the baby. Oh yeah, look. You see that coming at me? It's wild. Get away from my babies! Get away from my babies, they say. Some crazy birds. Pretty cool though. This is the really crazy part. Look at them all. They're coming at me like wild. There's a little baby right there. I'm gonna show you guys a little baby. Look. There's a little baby right there. He's cute. He's hiding. Birds are freaking out. They're coming to get me. They're gonna shit on my head. It's a weird thing to have a bird fly like straight at your face and pull up at the last second. I guess it works though. They're still around.